Hi, my name is Gilani from FEELartistic. In this video, I'll show you how to remove cracks from a sculpture. As you can see, this is the sculpture I was working yesterday, and when I came today, as you can see that there are a lot of cracks on the back side. So in order to remove it, you have to apply water on it. A lot of water. And smooth it out, or you can use your finger. Sometimes it's hard to get rid of those cracks, so let's apply some more water. Or you can use the tool like this, if you like. Now, as you can see, you don't see any cracks. But I still feel it in this portion, so I will apply some more water. So it's your option, either you can use finger or you can use one of the tools. Once you're done with this, take a towel, put some water, add some water, add a lot of water. Once you do this, then cover this area. And then I use a clip like this. This will hold towel. Once you're done, I will apply more water. And then take a plastic. Oh, not this one. Take this plastic. I will give some water on top also. And then put the plastic like this. Well, you can leave it for 24 hours. Next day you come back, and if you see still the cracks are there, simply apply more water. Do it for a few days, and hopefully the cracks will go away. In next video, I will show you how to avoid cracks. Thank you for watching. Gilani from FEELartistic.